You are. So today we are starting our day in Akihabara. So he's probably butchered it, and if I had tried, it would have made it a lot worse. So we have in this area is supposed to be that vending machine corner, which sells the weirdest things from a vending machine. We're going to give that a go, and then we are going to see where the day takes us. Really, but we first found this little shrine, and we thought we'd come in with you. You can stamp it. Okay, so we're here. It's not as big as I imagined actually. So in here is chicken, charcoal grilled chicken, and this is a chicken. This is a car. What's
Yakitori chicken.
what? Yakitori. See, we're having to translate this. You've got a bug. What have we got here?
Car.
A car. Okay, so this one is quail's egg. This one is a bubble game and chestnut. Okay, so we have oranges. What's this one again?
That was just lemon.
Lemons. We've got the bullet trains. Got a flying toy. Got a spaghetti bolognese in a can. Yummy. A popcorn machine. He's just googling what's in those boxes. This one does actually look like drinks. And we've got some boxes in here. I wonder what's in the boxes. Oh, popcorns as well.
Just sort of some milk bread.
Milk bread.
They're not called weird vending machines for nothing.
Anything else that we can...
There's the milk bread down there.
What, the panda?
Yeah.
Okay.
Different milk breads. Some of these are just, they're not, it's just sayings on it. It doesn't say
What it is?
yeah, it's weird.
Okay. What's in the next? I think they're all drinks. There's more around here. Okay, so we just bumped into an American who was very helpful, and we couldn't figure out what these boxes were. And basically, it's a porno story. I'm not sure how much I can share on YouTube, but each box is a different porno story, and then you don't know what you've got inside the box, so it says surprise. I've just realised you can see me in the reflection. Sorry about that. Could be a cookie, could be anything. So yes, I think we have to take a couple of these back. Right, so we're just entering Electronic Town. So apparently this is quite famous for Sega and Nintendo and all old school stuff. Apparently you can play on it. Not really our thing, but we thought while we were here, we might as well have a little looky.
You cannot take video. So
Well, that was probably the weirdest experience of my life. We went in the maid cafe. Obviously you could see that we couldn't film in there. We couldn't really take photos either, but we did. So you pay like a set menu and you get a drink and ice cream. I've never had ice cream with cornflakes and ice cream together. Who knew? But I thought I'd show this. So, see there, Andy's. Ah! Hang on, bear with. It is mine. It was an experience. Yes, the most expensive ice cream with cornflakes I've ever had. But it was hilarious. If you ever go to Tokyo, then you need to do a maid cafe. It was brilliant. Anyway, on to wherever we're going next. So, budgeting people, I have a confession. I may or may not, probably may, I have just spent some of the cash money that we brought out on a suitcase. So I've been moaning for years about our suitcases. They were inherited by Andy's parents about 15 years ago, and fine, they did the job, but you know, they weren't hard case, they didn't have wheels, they were just old. So we were walking down the shop and I saw this big hard case Hello Kitty, and it had like holidays and cameras and it was all pretty, so I had to buy it. I had to. It was, yeah, we don't need to tell them it was 90 quid. but it was. And it not only is it a suitcase, it's also a souvenir, right? It will remind me of where I bought it here. And I'm not really into Hello Kitty at all, actually, but I saw it and it caught my eye, and I had to drag Andy back into the shop to buy it. So, confession done. I'm now going to get on with my day. This is probably not very interesting, but I just thought this was actually quite fun. So basically, these cones were out this morning at about 7 o'clock, and it said this road was closed to traffic between 7 and 9 tonight. Oh, 7 and 6 was it? Okay, 7 and 6 tonight. And basically what they're doing is re-tarmacking this whole road. Yeah? Whole road, all the way down. Yeah? It's all stationed, cones off. And what I don't understand is how they can do that just in a few hours, where, as at home, it takes them 6 weeks. I don't understand. Someone, please. How can they do it so organised and it takes us forever? What is wrong? And then you got this little man doing the roller and the washing at the same time. Like, really, we need to get our act together, don't we? Let's follow Japan. Get things moving. And they've even managed to colour in the lines. There's no tarmac over the path at all. Impressive. Anyway, enough of the road. Let's go. I know I said enough of the road, but look. He's making it safe. Like, look at all the staff doing all their jobs. Making it all flat. It's absolutely... So we've just got to the sky. So we've just got to the sky tree, and this is it from the ground. Lovely colours, but not really what I was expecting. But yeah, lovely. Another thing ticked off the list.